Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you looking for beautiful, stylish, and trendy crochet blouse designs to inspire your next outfit? Then you are in the right place. In today's video, we are bringing you a stunning collection of the most beautiful, trending, and attractive crochet blouse designs for 2026. From elegant and simple styles to eye-catching and modern designs, these crochet blouse ideas are perfect for anyone who loves handmade fashion and creative crochet patterns. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this beautiful collection of crochet blouse designs. Let's get started. Crochet blouses continue to be a wonderful choice for creating a unique and fashionable look. What makes crochet so special is the variety of patterns, stitches, colors, and styles that can be combined to create something truly beautiful. In this collection, you will see different blouse designs that can be perfect for casual outfits, special occasions, parties, celebrations, and even elegant everyday looks. Some of these designs feature delicate crochet stitches that create a soft and feminine appearance. Others have bold patterns and beautiful textures that make the blouse stand out. If you love simple fashion, you can take inspiration from the more minimal crochet blouse ideas in this collection. And if you prefer something more attractive and detailed, there are plenty of creative patterns with beautiful borders, flowers, lacework, and decorative stitches. Another great thing about crochet blouses is the freedom to choose your favorite colors. You can go for classic white, cream, black, or beige for an elegant and timeless look. Or you can experiment with bright and beautiful colors to create something more youthful, colorful, and eye-catching. Pastel shades are also a beautiful choice for a soft and modern appearance. When it comes to styling, crochet blouses can be paired with skirts, jeans, trousers, shorts, or even traditional outfits. This makes them incredibly versatile and suitable for many different occasions. You can also customize the length, neckline, sleeves, and crochet patterns according to your personal style. For those who love handmade fashion, these designs can provide plenty of inspiration for your next crochet project. You can recreate a design exactly as you see it, or combine different elements from several designs to create your own unique blouse. Look closely at the beautiful stitches, patterns, sleeve styles, necklines, and decorative details appearing throughout this collection. There are so many creative ideas to discover. And remember, you don't always need complicated stitches to create a beautiful blouse. Sometimes, a simple crochet pattern combined with the right color and a stylish design can create an amazing final result. For experienced crocheters, these designs can also be a great opportunity to experiment with new stitches and creative combinations. And if you are still learning crochet, don't worry. You can save your favorite designs and use them as inspiration as you continue improving your skills. Which crochet blouse design is your favorite so far? Take a moment to look through the collection and choose the styles you would love to make or wear. You can also mix and match different ideas to create something completely original. Crochet fashion is all about creativity, and there are no limits to what you can create with the right yarn, stitches, and imagination. So whether you are searching for a beautiful crochet blouse for yourself, looking for ideas for a client, or simply love discovering new crochet fashion trends, I hope this collection gives you plenty of inspiration. And there are even more beautiful designs coming your way, so make sure you watch until the end. If you enjoyed these beautiful crochet blouse ideas, don't forget to give this video a like. Subscribe to the channel for more beautiful crochet fashion ideas, new designs, creative stitches, and the latest crochet trends. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and fellow crochet lovers. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope these beautiful crochet blouse designs have inspired your next creative project. Keep creating, keep crocheting, and keep bringing your beautiful ideas to life. See you in the next video.